Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Java inheritance is tricky, but we will master this constructor problem. Let's find the missing code to initialize our shirt class properly. First, we must recognize that the shirt class extends clothing, so it needs to call the parent constructor. Since the parent has private variables, we cannot access them directly from here. The super keyword is our best friend here because it passes the type and cost parameters up to the clothing constructor. This ensures those private fields are set up correctly first. Finally, we assign the Boolean value to our local variable. This makes option D the perfect choice for our missing code segment. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid direct access. Trust the given superconstructor rules for success.